We've been in this stubborn upper level pattern with anything that develops off towards the west-northwest will roll down to the southeast on this northwest flow aloft. So the potential is there of more showers and storms back into the forecast, not widespread. And as we go into tomorrow morning, watching for more morning storms coming into the northeast sides of North Texas. There is a marginal risk of severe storms developing, flooding being the main concern. We're going to be drying out, though, briefly and warming up. So at least that's a little bit of a silver lining with all of these gray clouds that we've had around. First alert radar shows that tonight we are starting to calm down after a pretty active afternoon to evening hours in parts of North Texas. I want to show you the local storm reports, and you can see in some spots picking up some hail reports, but also seeing in parts of Van Zandt County, at least social media reporting trees down, blocking State Highway 19 near Walton because of that tornado warning we had. Not a confirmed tornado, but we did see those strong winds showing up on the first alert radar, and we were tracking that there for you. Radar estimated rainfall over the last 12 hours shows the other big story. All of the flooding rain through parts of Kaufman County to Van Zandt County to Hunt County, near about 3 to 4 inches of rain. So this flash flood warning does continue for Kaufman and Van Zandt counties until 11:30. Other than that, we are quiet here on the first alert radar. That complex, that system that worked its way through is continuing to slide its way down to the southeast. That's the one that brought the outflow boundaries here for us as we went through the day today and allowed more of those storms to develop. So tonight, those precip chances 30 to 20%, they're really tapering off to then about 10%, then maybe developing again for tomorrow morning. And the reason is we see that get on out of here. But then off towards the north, the potential more storms developing in Oklahoma, sliding their way down towards the south and east by the time we go to about 5 to 9 o'clock, maybe Delta County down to parts of Rains County and northeast of that. That shifts its way down to the southeast. Then most of tomorrow, we're relatively dry, depending on any outflow boundaries if they're able to re-spark some more storms. But then going into Wednesday, tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, possibly another complex of storms working their way on through. So we're kind of in that pattern. I wanted to show you that today it was that slight risk of any storms reaching severe, but tomorrow it switches to just that marginal risk. That's that lowest level out of 5 levels from the Storm Prediction Center. We're at 75 right now. Southeast winds holding on at 14 dew point 74. So it's a muggy night. 80 in Arlington, where we didn't see any rain today. 83 in Burleson. So overnight tonight, those rain chances 30% dropping a bit, then back up to near 30 to 40% tomorrow. We start out at 73, but then we have our temperatures warming back up into the lower 90s. That precip chance in the afternoon about 20%. Let's take a look at that first alert 7-day forecast. We're able to see low 90s Wednesday, but then on Thursday, that's our brief dry day, 96 degrees. But when you factor the humidity, could feel like 101 to 103. Friday into Saturday, maybe some isolated storms around, but we remain hot through the weekend. Next Sunday, 95 for the high.